Mughalsarai, or rather say Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Junction, is one of India's busiest railway station and has the largest railway yard in Asia. Today, I will be counting all the locos present in the Mughalsarai region. So let's get started. Starting from Marshalling Yard, I got first to see Mughalsarai WDS 6R, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Mughalsarai WDS 6AD, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Gomo WAG 9, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Ludhiana WAG 9, Mughalsarai WAG 4, Gomo WAG 9, Bhusawal WAG 5 Twins, Ludhiana WAG 7. So that was all for Marshalling Yard. Now entering into the electric trip shed. At first I encountered Gomo WAG 9, Tughlakabad WAG 7, Ajni WAG 9, Gonda WAG 7, Bardhaman WAG 9, Gomo WAG 9, Jhansi WAG 7, Gomo WAG 9, Itarasi WAG 5 Twins, Tughlakabad WAG 7, Mughalsarai WAG 4, Jhansi WAG 7, Tughlakabad WAG 9, Kanpur WAG 9, Ghaziabad WAG 7, Ghaziabad WAG 7 and Vadodara WAG 7, Tughlakabad WAG 7, Mughalsarai WAG 4, Howrah WAG 4, Mughalsarai WAG 4, Gomo WAG 7, Gomo WAG 7, Ghaziabad WAG 7, Royapuram WAG 7, Howrah WAG 4, Mughalsarai WAG 4, Howrah WAG 7, Mughalsarai WAG 7 Twins, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Tughlakabad WAG 9, Valsad WAG 7, Gonda WAG 7, Ghaziabad WAG 7, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Ghaziabad WAG 7 and at the end Gomo WAG 9. Whoa, that were a lot of locos. Now entering into the departure yard. Encountering Gomo WAG 9, Kanpur WAG 9, Tughlakabad WAG 9, Ludhiana WAG 7, Gomo WAG 9, under WDG 4 Mahabali, Gomo WAG 9, Tughlakabad WAG 9, Saharanpur WAG 12, Ghaziabad WAG 5, Saharanpur WAG 12, Bhusawal WAG 5 Twins, Bhusawal WAG 5 Twins, Gomo WAG 9, Gomo WAG 9, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Ludhiana WAG 9, Saharanpur WAG 12, New Katni Junction WAG 9, New Katni Junction WAG 9, Ludhiana WAG 7, Saharanpur WAG 12, Jhansi WAG 7, Ajni WAG 9, Ghaziabad WAG 7, Tughlakabad WAG 9, Khan Alampura WAG 7, Gomo WAG 9, Gomo WAG 9, Gomo WAG 9. Now moving towards the diesel loco shed. First encountering Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, again a 3A, 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 Mughalsarai WDS 6R, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A and Mughalsarai WAG 7, 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 Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDS 6R, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WAG 7, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 2, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 2, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Pune WDP 4D, Lucknow WDM 3A, Izzatnagar WDP 4D, Itarasi WDP 4B, Siliguri WDG 4, Siliguri WDP 4B, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDG 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Siliguri WDP 4B, Tughlakabad WDP 4B, Siliguri WDP 4, Pune WDM 3D Twins, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, Mughalsarai WDM 3A, and that's all for the diesel loco shed. Now entering into the electric loco shed Mughalsarai. We first encounter Mughalsarai WAG 4, मुगलसराय वैब 4, मुगलसराय वैग 7, मुगलसराय वैब 4, मुगलसराय वैब 4, वैग 7, वैग 7, वैग 7, वैग 7, हावड़ा वैब 7, मुगलसराय वैब 4, वैब 4, वैग 7, वैब 4, 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 मुगलसराय वैग 7, मुगलसराय वैब 4, मुगलसराय वैब 4, मुगलसराय वैब 4, वैब 4, मुगलसराय वैग 7, मुगलसराय वैग 7, कानपुर वैग 9, and behind it Mughalsarai Wag 7, Ulipo Head Mughalsarai Wab 4, Mughalsarai Wab 4, Itarasi Wab 4, Lalaguda Wag 9, Mughalsarai WDS 6, Gomo Wag 9, Gomo Wag 9, Raurkela Wag 9, Mughalsarai Wab 4, Wab 4, Wab 4, Mughalsarai Wab 4, Wab 4, Mughalsarai Wag 7, Saharanpur Wag 12, Siliguri WDP 4D, Mughalsarai Wag 7, Howrah Wab 7.